Hello, today we're gonna open this Look Fantastic order, which came early today. I bought a couple of items at 25% discount from Yves Saint Laurent. These are the things that I wanted to get from YSL anyway, so the Look Fantastic discount definitely encouraged me to purchase. So the first thing is a blurring blush in color 44 Nude Lavalier. Beautiful packaging. It's like this sort of like leather imprint with a gold logo on it. Color, I think is really beautiful. I think it's gonna suit my complexion very well, but maybe let's try it straight away. Oh, it's very, very delicate pink, but on like a colder side, so I think it's really nice on my skin. I'm well happy with that. I'm gonna use it for sure. The other thing that I got is this Candy Glaze lip gloss in color Pink Satisfaction number 5. Oh, 6 clicks is one application. Okay. This packaging is also beautiful with like a logo embellishment around the lip gloss. So like, oh, it looks quite dark, I would say. 6 clicks. Let's try it. Oh, it is darker than I thought. I'm gonna have to try it on. It's not bad at all. It's just darker. Like, it's quite dark for a lip gloss, I think. Maybe it would be nice. And with this purchase, I also got a little mini. It's a Love Shine Plumping Lip Oil Gloss in also color 44 Nude Lavalier, just like my blush. This is only a tiny miniature. Color looks lovely, actually. Let's see how it looks on my skin. Ooh, I quite like it. This is beautiful, actually. Shame it's so tiny, but might think about getting a bigger one. So this is my little order, and if you want to see how they look on me, keep watching. Hope you liked this video, and if you did, please comment, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye!